Welcome back, and join me as we boot this OnePlus 13 for the first time and go through the initial or the first setup process. So as you can see, this is the OnePlus 13, and let's go ahead and boot it up for the first time. So I'm just gonna long press on the power button on the side. So long press on that button. I'm not sure for how long I'm supposed to press it. So you're gonna feel a vibration, and then you should see the OnePlus logo. So just now allow the phone to boot up. Meanwhile, I'll just put the box here. There you go. So in this process, I'm going to be setting up this phone without any or without transferring data from an older phone. So I'm going to assume I don't have any other phone. This is the only phone I have, and I'm going to set it up individually. So it says, hello, are you ready? Never settle. Tap on that little arrow and then select your language. Now, mine is English as a default, and I'm going to leave it at that because I want it in English. And then now I can tap on next. Now, if you want some accessibility options, then you can select that. And then you can use TalkBack to set up your phone. Okay, but for now, I'm just going to select English and tap on next. And then it's going to ask for my region. So you can scroll and find your region. I'm just going to choose that as my country. Tap on next. And then you have the user agreement and user privacy protection policy. Read that and then tap on next. And then it's going to ask you if you want to set it up using another device. Now, like I said, we're going to be setting this up without any other device. So I'll choose skip. And then it's going to ask me to connect to Wi-Fi. So I'm just going to go ahead and connect to my own Wi-Fi. Put in the password. And then tap on save. Once it's connected, tap on next. And then now it's gonna try and get my phone ready. Now, once again, it's going to ask to copy my apps and data, and I'll choose don't copy. And then it's going to ask me to sign in to my Google account. Now, obviously, you need your Google account to install apps from the Google Play Store and to read emails from Gmail and stuff like that. But I'm going to set that up later, so I'll just skip for now and confirm I want to skip. And then it's going to ask to connect to mobile network. So basically, you can download an eSIM, or you can open the SIM tray and put in physical SIM cards. But of course, you can also do that later. So I'll just skip that for now. And then it's going to ask me how I want to unlock my phone. I can set up a password right now, or a fingerprint, or face recognition. Now, I'll again skip that for later. And then you have the Google services, because it's an Android, which you have to read and accept. And then it's going to ask you if you want to join the Red Cable Club, which is basically the OnePlus Club. Once again, I'll skip that. Recommend services or recommended services. I'll just tap on. So basically, this is turn on the features below for better user experience. So we have global search, quick connect. I'm going to leave all this on so it gives me all the information I need. And then you can choose whether you want to start with the buttons or to use gestures. So for now, I'm just gonna go with buttons and tap on done. And it says I'm all set up. I'm using Oxygen OS. Tap on let's go. And there is my OnePlus all set up and ready. So because it's Android 15, you can choose whether you want to split notifications and quick settings, or just use the classic drop down menu. That's up to you, personal preference. So that is basically how to set up your OnePlus for the first time, OnePlus 13. And that display looks really good. I'm not sure the camera is doing it justice, but it looks really, really good. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below. If you found this useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly even subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.